In this video from Device Doctor, we will show you how to fix error 100005 on the Epson WF-C5790 printer. We will open the printer, diagnose the issue, and restore it back to normal working condition.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Error 100005 on the Epson WF-C5790 is related to an ADF system failure. It can stop scanning or document feeding while printing still works. Common causes include dirty rollers, paper jams, or ADF sensor/motor issues. Cleaning and checking the ADF usually helps fix it. First, open the ADF unit and clean all dust and debris using a blower or air duster. Check the rollers and gears and make sure they rotate smoothly without resistance. If they are dirty or sticky, clean them properly to ensure smooth movement and proper feeding operation. Turn off the printer and then turn it back on. In some cases, this simple restart can reset the ADF system, and the issue may be resolved if it was caused by a temporary error or minor blockage. If the problem is solved at this stage, that is great. However, if the issue still remains, continue watching the next steps in the video for further troubleshooting and repair. Sometimes the issue comes from a sensor or gear inside the ADF unit. Cleaning the area and gently rotating the gear can help restore normal movement, and in many cases the problem is easily fixed this way. That is the complete troubleshooting and repair process for the Epson WF-C5790 Error 100005 related to the ADF system. As you have seen, the issue can range from simple dust and mechanical blockage to sensor or gear-related problems inside the document feeder. By carefully inspecting, cleaning, and testing each part step by step, it is often possible to restore normal function without replacing major components. Always make sure to handle the ADF unit gently and check all moving parts properly to avoid further damage. If the printer responds correctly after these steps, it confirms that the system has been successfully repaired and is ready for normal use again.